Ford 6.7 liter PowerStroke owners, it is no surprise we're talking about oil leaks again. I want to show you another common place with the 6.7 PowerStroke to leak oil. That is from the injector grommets. Normally, this valve cover will be on an engine, obviously not on this table. We'd have an injector going down through this hole. Obviously remove the ejector, but as you can see, these are really common to leak. I see probably 2 or 3 trucks a day that come in with these injector grommets leaking. So I'm gonna show you how to replace them real quick. This one's too big, we're gonna take a small one. They're nice enough to give you a little dimple right here. What I do, I just drive it in like that and pop it out. So now that we got this thing all cleaned up, we're gonna get this new one installed. This is what the new grommet looks like. I use a 23mm impact socket to drive them in. Really, you just wanna find a socket or something round that'll fit and is not any bigger around in circumference than what the seal is. So we'll set that up there just like that. We'll set our socket on top just like so. We'll give it a little tap. Check, double check here and make sure it's all the way in. I don't think it is actually. Yeah, now it's all the way in. So that is how you install an injector grommet seal on your 6.7 liter PowerStroke.